For a person with disabilities, practicing language and social skills many times comes in the confines of a therapy office or class where it's rehearsed or prearranged. While beneficial, progression through a natural setting allows the child to relax more and have fun. With the InnerVoice communication app, learning to have a conversation has never been more engaging. Simply choose an avatar and watch it come alive in the app. Avatars move, emote, and, most importantly, speak. How to use the InnerVoice Chat Bot. 1. Tap the chat icon at the menu. 2. Tap the microphone icon. 3. Ask a question or make a comment. 4. The chatbot will respond, allowing you to practice your conversation skills independently.
How are you doing today?
Things are going well. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Great, we should talk for a little bit.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, I'll try my best to answer you.
What is a rainbow?
A rainbow is a meteorological phenomenon that is caused by reflection, refraction and dispersion of light in water droplets, resulting in a spectrum of light appearing in the sky. It takes the form of a multicolored circular arc. Rainbows caused by sunlight always appear in the section of sky directly opposite the sun.
Buy InnerVoice for your child today.